This video will review how to order inventory for a specific job. The assigned user will get an action to confirm inventory in their do not list. There will be 4 decisions for you to choose from. Tagged would be stock slabs that have been tagged for the job. Next available would be any available stock can be used for the job. Order would be to order inventory. And override would be for any special circumstances that would not fall into the other decision types. In this video, we're going to cover how to order the inventory. So the first thing that you're going to do is edit your area module to review your slabs. You can click on the fabrication layout tab to see how many slabs that you will need to order. If you have not completed a fabrication layout, please see our fabrication layout video, and that will help you complete that if your number of slabs need to be determined still based on your layout. Now, once you've determined the amount of slabs is correct, please select your vendor from the vendor drop down here. And then you can also enter a vendor item number as well if you choose to do so. Once that information is in there, go ahead and click close to close down that area module. And you may also want to click on the fabrication tab to see if there's any additional inventory items that may need to be ordered. An example of this would be a sink or a faucet. If so, simply click on the line item, go to your vendor drop down and select what vendor you're going to be ordering from, and then you would click on the save button in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Once that's completed, you're going to go back to your customer tab, go back down to your job actions to create the decision, which will be to order that inventory. So you're going to select that order, you're going to click on the done button, and as you can see, we received a pop-up box that indicated an inventory order has been created. And it will also indicate an inventory item number. So in this example, our slab has been assigned inventory item number 581. We can click OK on there. Now the next step would be to go in and actually track that inventory order and send that purchase order. So you'll click on this inventory tab here. You can go to your drop down to select your order that needs to be placed, or you can also do a search for that item number in the item number search box. Once you see that, you can click on your actions to get started. The first action that you see is going to be to order the actual material. What you'll do is you'll scroll over to the delivery date box, click on that box, enter your proposed delivery date, which we're going to put December the 7th here. Once you have that information entered, you're going to click on the save button, and then you're going to click done on your do now action. You'll see a pop-up box indicating that the order has been completed and that the status has been changed. So now you can see our status is ordered. The next action that we have is the receive action, telling you that you're going to be looking for your stone or your material to arrive on Friday, December the 7th. Also, if you click on your customer tab and you refresh this, you will see that you have your project manager or your sales rep. They also received a comment stating that the stone has been ordered for the job, and then they also will receive a receive stone event as well under that job. This will help them to allow to track to make sure that the material or the inventory item has actually been received, and if not, they can follow up with the correct person that is in charge of the inventory or notify the customer of any delays. This will actually be set in your do not list for the date that was selected for the inventory to be received, which is December the 7th. So I'm going to click back over to the inventory item, and we still need to send the PO to the vendor. Now this is optional, as sometimes you may be ordering this through a vendor portal, but if you do want to send a PO to this through the system, you go to Task, Report, and then click on Purchase Order or Purchase Order with Price. Once this report is generated, you can email that to your vendor by clicking on the email tab. You can also print or save this as well. Once the inventory item has been received, you can click on Received, which would be full or partial, and then you're going to enter a location in your location text box. Once that's completed, you can click Done. You will receive a pop-up box showing that it has been received and that the status has been changed to available. So now your material is available. You will also receive an export action that will allow you to export that data into QuickBooks if you choose to do so. One last thing is on the customer tab, as you can see, our receive stone has now been closed out, and it actually has generated another comment telling you that the stone has been received. So you can go ahead and close those out. And that concludes the video for ordering inventory for a specific job.